Speaking of early indicators, what are other early indicators? The valve movement and response time is very important to point out. What other early indicators can we look to see that we have a potential varnish problem?
I mean, I think the progression of oil analysis, we've learned a lot from that. So early tests like colorimetric, MPC, ruler. But in our experience with doing more comprehensive oil testing, we even see the formation of acids as a very early leading indicator that varnish could form soon. Also, a loss of demulsibility can be a predictor.
So we see that a lab report is important. So we take oil sample and we send it out to the lab so we can see the analysis, the acid level. Is the acid forming or is it starting to increase? The MPC, so we're going to look at the color of the oil and indicators like that. Any other things that we would like to look at on the lab report that might indicate a varnish formation?
The most common used is MPC testing. There is an ASTM specification for how to actually perform an MPC test. Ruler is another important.
What does ruler stand for?
Ruler stands for the remaining useful life evaluation routine.
So what are we focusing on with that test?
In that test, you're comparing the remaining antioxidants as a percentage to 100% when the lubricant was new. So obviously, since most lubricants have antioxidants because the manufacturers of these lubricants know that oxidation is going to occur. And as oxidation occurs, it occurs at a faster rate. Oxidation leads to even more oxidation. So antioxidants are added to these lubricants to arrest these oxidation byproducts, or free radicals as they're called in some circles, to keep them from causing additional harm to the lubricant itself. Ruler is the most effective way with modern lubricants to measure the amount of remaining antioxidants. Antioxidants are going to be consumed because of oxidation. So as the 100% new trends towards 0%, that's indicative that you have had oxidation occurring.
So what I'm hearing is there's several data points that we need to look at. We need to be able to look at the acid number. We need to be able to look at the MPC value. Then we also need to look at the ruler test to see what the antioxidants are doing within the system.
Correct.